Hello chess lovers! A year ago I was planning to publish this brilliant combination, but lost the diagram, and only today, after I accidentally stumbled upon it in a chess book, we can enjoy this magnificent combination together. This position is taken from a game played by Nicolas Rossolimo against an unknown chess player. Rossolimo is on the black side and the game was played in 1944 in Paris. Unfortunately, it's unknown how the players reached this position, but in here, Nicolas Rossolimo unleashed one of his best combinations ever. Please pause the video and try to find the winning move for black. Ready? Well, before starting our combination, consider subscribing to my channel in order not to miss my future videos. And now let's get started and see what's going to happen on the board. Right now you can see that black queen is hanging, and also there is a very nasty pressure on this b7 square, and on the surface it looks like that white is winning. For example, if you go for the exchange of queens on b2, then after rook takes b2, how are you going to neutralize this threat? If rook d2, in order to try to create counter-attacking chances, then bishop takes b7, check is coming, and then bishop d5 discover check, and then bishop e6 and bishop f5. With this beautiful maneuver, white is neutralizing the threat, and yes, this endgame is going to be winning because white has so many extra pawns. That's why instead of going for an exchange of queens, in here Rossolimo played rook d1. Look at this epic sacrifice, guys. I'm sure that you have already seen Rossolimo's immortal game against Paul Reisman, where he sacrificed his queen on g6, but this one is also spectacular. In here he's sacrificing his queen on b5, and the idea of playing rook d1 is that he's opening up the bishop's diagonal and is pinning the rook on f1. Now if, for example, rook takes d1, then simply queen takes b2. Or if rook f takes d1, then white king can even get checkmate hit. Or after rook d1, if a move like queen takes b5, then again white king is getting checkmate hit. That's why instead of accepting the queen sacrifice, white played bishop takes b7 check, a very creepy move. The idea is that now if king takes b7, then white can win black queen with a check. That's why instead of accepting the sacrifice, we have king b8, and still black has so many threats. Here white played c4, but Rossolimo made another powerful move and played rook takes f2. He's simply insisting on sacrificing his queen, guys. Finally, white accepted the queen sacrifice. By the way, if a move like queen takes f2, then black can either capture on f2 or even queen takes b1 is playable. This is even stronger, and again black is winning. That's why in our game after rook takes f2 we have queen takes b5 and rook takes f1 check. King h2, and in here by playing rook h1, Nicolas Rossolimo announced a checkmate. What a brutal final combination, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this combination, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.